How to install Dorman's intake manifold water outlet. This part has been re-engineered to address common failure points in the original design with now improved durability and resistance. First, secure manifold to stabilize before cutting. Do not over-tighten. Next, cut along the bottom of the water outlet. Be sure to cut only past the stem. Cut downward to separate the plastic stem from the manifold. Carefully shave down any remaining plastic for an even cut. Cut the remaining stem portion from manifold. Be sure to not cut near the manifold gasket. Remove manifold gasket to avoid damage. Saw off the leaking plastic manifold stem to make room for the replacement stem. The manifold should look similar to this once the cuts are complete. Check that the new water outlet will fit. Cut off any remaining piece if it does not fit properly. Next, remove the original stud from the engine head. Replace the original studs with new hardware. Place the gasket and water outlet onto the head. Screw the bolts onto the studs to tighten the stem base to the engine head. Finally, place the manifold back onto the engine head to complete the repair.